against Bingley. Bryant. Yep. That is just excellent defense by Bingley. Taras pa si Kobe. I can see Mark Bingley's phone is going off the phone. Trying to get in touch with Mark Bingley so that he can play defense against Kobe Bryant. 86-66, lamang na po ang Smart All-Stars. At sa third quarter pa lamang tayo. Here's Durant in the backcourt. Here's seen by Tumagnot, Derrick Rose, Durant, McGee. I think that's JaVale McGee's 8th or 9th dunk in this game so far. Actually, si JaVale McGee is one of those guys na kahit dun sa yung liga na nila, pwede siya mag-double digit in dunk. Ryan, look out! Look out! Oh, Alvin Santos answers back. It's Kobe Bryant against the Spider-Man. Who wins? Mamba wins. The crowd is loving it right now. Arvin Santos for 3. And Bryant, natapik ni Ryan Reyes, napunta kay Chris Paul. Here comes Tumagnot against McGee. Come on, Alex, you can do it. You can do it. Alex had the right idea. Look out. Look out. The Jets, the women, the children, out of the way. We need this timeout. Titingnan natin kung okay pa yung link. Baka bumaloktot na po. Get the women and children out of the way. Kobe Bryant, Derrick Rose. I mean, how often can you say that? How often do you see that? From one MVP to another. Ang babalik ko.